Looking for a time-efficient and easy way to do your daily business with Multivac? My Multivac is your central access to the Multivac world. With just one single login, you can access all digital Multivac applications and services, whenever, wherever. My Multivac provides you with the possibility to order spare parts, consumables and customized packaging materials for your machines quickly and conveniently, 24/7 online. Easily find the right spare parts for your machines using your own material numbers, detailed product filters and 3D spare parts catalogs. Access your complete order history, including up-to-date order information, order documents for download and shipment tracking. My Multivac also enables you to manage your installed base and visualize your complete production lines. To display your entire production floor, you can also include machines from other manufacturers. For your Multivac machines, you'll get access to machine data, warranty and maintenance information, machine documents, performance data and service information. In addition, you'll have access to the smart services of your connected machines. Use our platform for managing all your maintenance processes. You can download service reports, create service tickets and record your own maintenance. Always stay up to date with the My Multivac newsfeed. It provides you with real-time order, machine and service information. This even applies when you're on the way, with mobile notifications via WhatsApp, SMS and email. Your businesses constantly grow and transform themselves. So does My Multivac. Based on user feedback, the platform is constantly being improved and extended with new functions and services that provide great benefits to our clients. For a time-efficient and easy way to your daily business with us, sign up to My Multivac now.